All right, so this Sunday meal prep is gumbo again because I've been freezing and I'm absolutely freezing. And Andy is laughing at me right now while I do the audio. So I'm building up a roux. Bo wanted a dark roux. He was very adamant about it. Now I have this stir mate thing. Y'all, this thing was like 85 bucks and I am not happy at all with it. Like this, I bought this thing for roux and I was like, I mean, if I gotta stand here for an hour and a half, why do I need this thing? So anyway, I'm pondering the existence of that little bad boy. But I'm babying it. I'm trying to get it as dark as I possibly can. And I switched over to I let that cool for a moment while I was waiting on groceries to schedules. So now the groceries have gotten here, the Sam's order and the Walmart order. You can still see the candy, the cupcakes, all of the Halloween stuff that I've been cleaning. Oh, never ending. Okay, we're back. Now I finally got the broth. I usually do a whole chicken and let it boil and all that kind of stuff. And I was like, I don't have time for that crap right now. So I took and I did just chicken and broth in itself. And I'm back to schedules. I'm steady hitting the caffeine hard. And now I'm going to chopping all of the things, the Holy Trinity, what we call it down here. This and the roux is going to be the base of the entire flavor of the gumbo. So it's really, really important. And so I'm getting all that together. The sausage, my chest started hurting. I took a break for a moment because I started thinking about it's November and Christmas is coming. And holy moly, I have Christmas decorations and all kind of stuff. So I've heated that roux back up. Now I'm going to start getting everything together. And I tested the roux just to make sure it was hot enough. I'm getting that Holy Trinity mixed into that roux. I'm going to let that cook a little bit while the sausage is going in the other little pot right there. And then I'm going to shred the chicken, and y'all see that in a second. So I shredded the chicken up. And then I was like, holy moly, I forgot okra. So Bo went and grabbed some okra for me. And the okra came, which it looks like such a fast process for y'all, but it is not that fast. And I'm basically getting the Cajun seasonings in there, the kitchen bouquet. I'm doing the okra's going to go in there in just a moment. There it is, yay.
It was bomb.
That was Andy. She said it was bomb. So in a moment, oh, check this out. So I'm still putting up Halloween stuff. I'm putting up all the platters. Everything goes under the island. And it goes into the boxes that I actually got those platters in. And so I'm back to the gumbo. And we're going to taste it. And I'm like, holy moly. Now Bo is like, oh, well, let me try it. And you see the grin. Ha ha ha. Happy dance, happy dance. Now I'm going to let Andy try it. Now I'm trying to get Andy off the couch to come try it. But she was like, I'm doing homework. So I was like, okay. So I bring it to her in a moment. And she also gave her approval. And she wouldn't give it back. She, yeah. See, I'm like, okay, give me the mug back. And she decided to come out here on the patio and work while I did this. So it really was a great Sunday.